These are the top robot lawnmowers of CES 2026. All right, time to stop by the Mimotion booth. Wow, look at this. All these lawnmowers doing a dance around the white one. Mimotion is also getting into the robot lawnmowers with the bags. This one's quite a lot bigger. That's a huge, huge machine. Okay, it looks like you can adjust how long you want your grass with the knob on top or a dial. Got an automatic stop. Pretty cool looking screen up top. So you can detach the bag by just unplugging it right here, and then there's a handle, lifts it up. I don't know if this has an auto empty thing. It might. Yeah, so if you don't want the attachment, you unplug it. Oh, and that's it. That's easy. And then this thing has hinges on it, so when it goes to the spot, yeah, it just automatically, there you go, dumps it. Pop it on, plug it in.
Yeah.
All right, then in the app, if I got a ton of leaves in my yard, I just do, can you only do just collection and not mowing? If you just wanted to use this as just to go pick up the leaves?
Yes, we can do only the collection.
Okay, so you can mow it only, you can do a collection only. Obviously there's gonna be a sensor in here that once it gets full, it's gonna know to automatically go over there and yes, unload, right? Okay, right on, that's cool. How long does the battery last?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. So if it's cutting and mulching,
yeah,
how big of an area can it cut on one single charge?
We have 3 models, 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000.
So you have 3 different models?
Yeah, that's
all right.
meters. Yeah.
So 1, 2, and 3,000, depending on what the battery size is.
Yeah.
All right, this is gonna come out in March, April. It's, what's unique about this is that there's a motor in each one of the wheels. So you got a motor here, here, and then 2 in the back per wheel.
Built-in RTK into the unit.
Oh, I gotcha.
Plus AI, 3D vision camera, and 360 LiDAR. So between all 3 of those systems, it allows the mower to stay connected. When it does lose that connection, if there's a tree cover or building cover, the mower can travel about 1,000 feet unattached to the system and then reconnects when it goes back to the system. The 360 LiDAR and the AI vision camera and obstacle recognition and avoidance allows for more accurate mapping and autonomous avoidance of obstacles, so on and so forth.
Dang, all right. Okay, check out this still Mimotion. Look at the size of this hill. Wow, that thing is, that's crazy. Look at that. It's going. That is by far the steepest I've seen any robot mower go up. That is insane. Percent-wise, is that like 80%? 80%. That's an 80% grade. That's cool. This is the first robot mower that I've seen with the bag.
Oh, yes.
Oh, what is this? It opens up. What? This is their latest model. This is the one that you're releasing at CES, right? In the app, you can set a spot in your yard where you want it to dump its clippings, and it will go to that spot, dump them. You can see that they've selected that area to dump all the stuff. So you got a climbing slope of 45%. This is a 9.2 amp hour. Charging time is 120 minutes. Run time of 70 minutes. Okay, so it cuts and mulches at the same time. You do have to drive it around your yard to create a map.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm glad to introduce the latest, the most innovative feature of a Lobkin lawnmower.
Okay.
So we are a US-based company. We have a team design in US, in Boston. And this one is, what it can do is, again, not only it can mowing up to 2 acre of land, you have some neat features. One neat feature is called self-rescue arm. Time to time, you have tree root, or you have trap, you get stuck into the hole, called push up, like human's arm. Push up and get out the trap.
Okay, so they have a new design here with the razor blades to prevent clogging in that. All right, and it's a floating deck. So you can, in the app, you can remotely adjust
the height, yeah. From 2 inches to 4 inches, yeah. And this is a new design of wheels, okay? It's more strong and powerful.
Okay, you got a 5-hour mow time. How long to charge?
It charges about 90 minutes. Another feature, we try to make American to green energy again. Okay, so this one is a solar power. So yeah, solar power, you can provide the power to RTK and also for the charging.
So how much is this going for?
If a sale is 1,500.
1,500 bucks?
Yeah.
That's pretty good for a robot mower, yeah. And I like how you have a cover over here, so if you're worried about it looking nice.
Rain, yeah.
It can
strong
stop
rain,
that.
yeah.
All right.
If you have big lawn, you want to have surprise to your wife or your family, you can cut the patterns.
Oh, look at that. Oh, so you actually cut that pattern.
Patterns in
with
the
that
park,
mower.
we let mower, yeah.
Oh, okay. So if you want a different color, he
You
said
can
that
order for it, yeah.
he had some customers ask for orange, and he can just replace the gray with orange, or
Yeah.
you got the white one over there.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. All right, so in 2022, they launched the Neomow X1. On Kickstarter, you raised over $2 million. $2.7 million, excuse me. All right, so this is the X2. You got the LiDAR up here, you got the triple AR camera here. This is just gonna be a drop and play sort of mower, right? So it's gonna map out automatically for you.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, the floating deck. This is gonna have razor blades around here. I mean, pretty clean and basic right there. Okay, so this is one of the biggest mowing areas. They say can mow up to 1.5 acres on a single charge. 2-hour charge, constant mowing for 3 hours. You can adjust the height. All right, so this is the second one that you launched this year, Neomow L. All right. Okay, so this one is designed for the smaller yard. It can mow up to 0.3. Okay, so you know, mow up to 0.38 of an acre. Which is what most yards are going to be. So it's got the same sort of tech as the other one does. LiDAR, it's got an AI camera. It can recognize things in your yard. So this one does not auto map. You do have to create a boundary in the app, walk around your yard with it. So $1,800 for the big one, $1,000 for the small one. That's a good price for a robot lawnmower. They usually don't come very much cheaper than that. I finally made it to the Yarbo booth. These guys are super busy today. They got, wow, so many more products than they had last year. I have reviewed this guy. This is the unit. But what's cool about this is that it has all these attachments. So this is the lawnmower attachment, but then check out all these accessories it has. This is the snowblower attachment and the shovel. I made a video of that if you guys want to check it out. It's pretty cool. Another attachment is their leaf blowing attachment. So sucks up the leaves, blows them off to the side, connects the same way as the lawnmower did. Back here, I gotta have this attachment so you can towing a big old wheelbarrow behind it. So if you got like a big old leaf job, you're gonna blow it to one side, you walk behind it, and you just pile it right in here into the bin. This is what I'm interested in here. This is the edging attachment. So this arm just attaches to the unit and will edge your lawn as it mows it. So lawnmower in front, edging in back. I'm really curious to see how well that's gonna work. The attachments continue. So you have, with the leaf blowing thing, you can attach this hose right here, and then it's got a big old long line, and you can use it as a blower. Oh, here's a look at the, this is the snow blower. So it has a cage in front. It's pretty awesome. That's like 18 inches wide. Oh, this is the trimmer arm that attaches. This is the thing I like the best, is they switched from the razor blades to a fixed blade pattern. The thing I didn't like about the model I reviewed is that it had the razor blades and it had grass sticking up. So this fixed blade design is what I was hoping for, and they've done it. This is the L series. Okay, so all-wheel drive. Yeah, they're saying an 8-hour runtime. It can cover up to over a half an acre, 0.54 acres. It's like it can climb a 70% slope, and a plug-and-play thing. So you got built-in LiDAR, AI vision, all the stuff that's very common at the show today. So the big thing about this is how long it lasts. So if you want your lawn mowed in one single battery charge, this is what you get. I mean, 8 hours is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, so it has everything that other mowers does. It has an app, so you can create a boundary in the app if you want. Oh, it is plug and play. You set it down on your yard, but in the app you do have to still draw the map of your yard.
So this is the new Navimow i2 light. And what's really unique about this particular mower, no RTK is needed. This is a true unbox it, set it up, either map itself or you can manually map it. It works purely off visual information. It's equipped with an RGB camera along with a LiDAR camera. We combine those two images. What did you do? Maneuver like we do. LiDAR loves seeing objects. The more objects in the yard, trees, plants, flower buzzings, it knows its environment.
No mapping, no like going around the edge to create a map. It does it all by itself.
So you can, so two ways. So you can do manual mapping, which is still the traditional, use your phone to your boundary, or we have the feature now where you can stick the auto mapping, and it's going to follow that edge. As long as you have a good defined grass, no grass, it will follow that edge and auto mapping itself.
Dang, that's awesome.
It works really well. As you see here, we're trying to really give a true presence of LiDAR. So this unit standing up on the stand, this TV screen, this is truly, as you're seeing my hands move,
Oh,
This is
okay.
exactly how the line or what the mower is truly seeing right now. How fast it is, reactive. It's seeing approximately 200,000 points every 10 seconds.
Dang, that's crazy. Huh. So if a soccer ball or a dog is laying on the grass, it'll navigate around that?
Exactly, yep.
What's the smallest obstacle that it can detect? Do you test that out?
I don't know exactly. I couldn't give you a definite answer of how small of an object. I mean, we target things as small as even like tennis balls. So I mean, you're talking something just a couple centimeters in diameter.
Dang. And what's the acreage on this?
This one's going to be 0.37 acres.
And you're releasing it when?
This is so as of today, this is the official unveil. This is launching to the market after today. We're going to start seeing it available on the Amazon site, our Shopify. We're going to see it through our independent dealer network across the U.S. and Canada, along with we're just announcing a partnership with Lowe's, where we're going to be in 500 physical Lowe's locations throughout the United States. Will be this particular model to purchase.
Okay. If you want a robot mower, you can just take out the box and hit the play button. There you go.
It is. That is the true what we're classifying the drop and go or drop and mow mower.
Yeah, this is going to change the industry because every other mower company out there is just you got to map it out with that. But the fact you can just push, set down, push and play is awesome. You just launched this one?
The first one.
First one for you guys?
Yeah, it comes with 3D radar plus AI camera.
AI camera, all right.
And slam navigation. Slam navigation.
Slam?
SLAM.
Okay.
Slam navigation.
All right.
So it's no need to use any RK, no need boundary wireless.
So is this the one you can just set it out and just hit a button and it goes?
Yeah.
It maps just by itself?
Yeah. We have our own application, so you can connect the robot. Then you just let it cut the grass. It have the regular path. You see, it can mow the lawn as a regular path.
Okay. How?
It can recognize the avoidance, like the more animals. It can recognize these obstacles.
Huh. So it's a real-time feed of like what's going on around it. All right. How many acres, or what's the size it can mow?
1,500 square meters. An acre is 0.375.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So it ships to your house, you open it up, you charge it up, you set it on the grass, and it just maps automatically.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you rolling? Okay. At the Mova booth, and yet another robot lawnmower company.
I would say that we are the industry leading.
Wow, okay, I like the confidence. You have 360 LiDAR, you have an AI camera, so you just have ultimate exposure of its surroundings.
Yes.
So you can just take this out of the box, set it on the ground, and it will map your yard automatically.
Yes, that's what we are talking about, AI auto mapping.
In 15 minutes, once you set it on the grass, if you have a quarter-acre lot, in 15 minutes it will auto map your whole lawn. As you drink a cup of coffee, or in my case, a Dr. Pepper.
It shifts from the center to this side.
Oh, I got. Oh,
and
I got
then
you.
leaves only one 2-inch uncut edge.
On both sides. Okay.
Yes.
How do these razor blades hold up? I mean, does it work pretty well?
Yes, of course it works pretty well. We have already, testified in the Euro market. No one complains about it.
Okay, so you got 2 discs and 6 blades per disc for 12 total.
And you also have the Ultra Trim 2.0 technology. It's on the side. It is written on the side, but it only leaves like 1.2-inch uncut edge.
So 1.2 inches. So
Yeah,
trimming is
that's
going to be a breeze.
Yes.
Okay. So this AI camera, it can detect humans, and so if you're away from your house and you just want to check on it, if for whatever reason, you can send it out, it'll patrol your yard, and it will send you a notification if it detects a person. Or you can get the app, and you can see the live feed. Just stopped by the Lymow booth. I reviewed this mower, and by far my favorite robot lawnmower. So we're gonna see, actually, come over here. I wanna show you why this is my favorite mower. You ain't got little tiny blades, you got some thick steel, cold hard steel blades, right? This right here is why this machine just does a fantastic job. This model is launching in February, right?
Yes.
And what they've basically done with this is they've just put better blades which is kind of important when you're mowing a lawn. So another upgrade that they did was with the old model, the charging unit, or I guess touch point, was underneath here. That was a bad idea because, well, it struggled because grass clippings would get on it and cover it. So this year, or with this model, they've added it up here on top, so you have no grass clippings. You're gonna get just a better sill for charging, right? Gonna charge faster, gonna charge better, and more cleaner. We'll say that. All right, what they've also done is they've added a little escape out the side for the grass clippings. So it's gonna be cut right here, goes in through here, comes out. There's a flap here that will open up when the machine's going. And they've done that just to prevent clogging. Another upgrade they did was with the motor, so it's a larger motor. Check this out, so this is cool. If you ever have any clogs in here, you can take off this panel. And then they've actually built in a self-cleaning brush. So that's a bristled brush. If any grass gets in there, it's gonna kick it out, which is pretty cool. And then it's just easy access. So anything gets stuck in here, you just take this off and pull it out. Up top here, you got a dust cover for the screen. You got a new screen, very simplistic, power, home, plus, minus. Oh, so the plus and minus adjusts how tall or how short you want the grass. 2 to 3 hours for a full charge. And one charge cycle can cover half an acre. All right, that's it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Have a
appreciate
good
it.
day.
Yeah.